I don't want to talk about igoro ya abagereko benefit usiki, but the truth of the matter omugusi ondebugenzi obwatakire okora bonko bokorigas, we have to support Matiang'i. Abagerengo support bare Ruto nani Raila. Is there any problem? Is there anybody who has castigated them? Aba ikoyo batwara mbagwato monto betu begenete useri kichiboni. Before we talk about the formation of the next government, let us have our own kingpin also, because that is, I think, where tutikarete maya tubuya muntu kukwana on our behalf okwana gera okwana onense ya manyana omugusi okore nduki ajana hii kelele ya sisi vijana ndogo ndogo tunafikiria tu mfuko yetu. We just think about how we father our pockets. We need a kingpin na kira aserio wi koruwa Nyamarambe paka Riamichoki paka Itumbe oende mpaka Transmkwende Machoge rugoro kero mondaga tena na indu Matiang'i to akori nduki, and nobody should scare us bwana. Muntu tata kosa sisi hatujasaliwa jana. We are behind Matiang'i. When 2027 comes, we will now be sitting on the table. We will discuss who takes the next the state house next. Even if we will now natulia raisina nto kunyara konyora president, at least we could be having a voice, a skill and organized. We are running behind Matiang'i, not just because he Mugusi. It is a vacuum yarokani for quite some time. And I urge all leaders of good mentor basugu momo ntoboyo omo na turasi kumnegesako. Hii mambo kila mtu akona mtu yake, hii ni story ambayo inaleta aibu. And I say that I'm not saying that no support president. I campaigned for William Ruto in 2022. I'm the one who brought UDA in Edward Masa. Before anybody else had joined your, I even opened an office. I am a member of UDA elected. I never signed anywhere that I would not talk about Matiang'i before 2027. The only agreement is that I'm a member of UDA until 2027. After that, nobody knows where I will be. Okay. I may decide to go UDA. I may decide to move out. But talking about the community interest na mheshimiwa my senior okwana is very imperative. Okay. And I had na mazima na wadebi tatiboniga tuenzipi otoroma ajana ikira ya vijana ndogo wanapiga mtandao, mtu anaamka asubuhi na discuss vibaya juu ya Matiang'i. If you ask him why, he doesn't have anything else utaingia kumuni psychophants, which is I'm not for it.